guys, it's Brian, and in today's video I'm going to be testing Pinterest and Tumblr DIY decor. So basically I'm going to be doing 2 canvases and I'm going to make a lantern that only costed like $4. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to try these, you totally should, and then you should tag me in it and or message me, because I want to see like your versions of these DIYs. And actually I think they're gonna turn out really good, and I always wanted to try the ones that I'm doing today, so I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Feel like a hard to get started when I'm driving, turning every head. Hell, I ain't even trying. Got them waving shades, pretty in pain.
the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, if you're not subscribed, you should totally subscribe over here or there, wherever it says subscribe. And like this video if you like videos like this, and if you can, you should totally comment what types of videos you want to see from me, because I'm doing a variety type of videos kind of now, so I'm open-minded. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing, fantastic, wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye!